Today's project is the RGB LED. As you can see, it's switching between different colors, and these are the different colors in the rainbow. If you want all of the code and details for this project, it's part of the Arduino programming course on SciRanch. If you would like me to post the code in the description of these videos from now on, you can comment on this video and I'll make sure to do that. For this project, you will need one RGB LED, lots of jumper cables, an Arduino Uno, and 3 of these guys, 270 ohm resistors. The RGB LED is like 3 different LEDs, which can be controlled by pulse width modulation. That's why we use these specific pins on the Arduino, pins 9, 10, and 11, because they have that little tilde next to them, which tells you that they are used for pulse width modulation. Then we have these 270 ohm resistors right here, and connected up to the RGB LED. To end off this video, I would like to thank all you guys for 50 followers on Instagram. I just started this a couple of days ago, and I've already hit 50 followers. That's just incredible to me. Thank you.